So we got ourselves a nice little overnight camp spot. Fortunately, it's right on the freeway. But we'll go for a walk over here and have a look. There's Andrew's van, there's mine. The car park's just about full. So we'll walk over and we'll have a look at the lake or the river. They got a boat ramp up there, so we'll go and see what's happening over there. What do you reckon, Ruby? We go and have a look?
Yes.
Hey, we going to go and have a look?
Yeah.
All right, what do we say?
Yes.
G'day Australia, don't we? All right, say it again. Cool.
You know where there's a cage in the bottom of the car fridge?
Yeah.
They rub on the shoulder here.
Guys, you guys look like fucking idiots. Can I just say?
Right?
Yeah.
Says the one that's in trackies, gumboots, and a bottle of wine in her hand.
Don't forget the socks. You want to walk now?
And then it pops, and then just empties a can in the bottom of me.
Pop! Do look at the water.
We'll put the bottom 3 in stubby holders.
No, I'm going to start standing them up.
Keep them in stubbies holders, and you'll be right.
Who's died?
The old Hawkesbury, the mighty Hawk, the mighty Hawkster. Go Hawks.
Right, how do I...
My house.
Yep, hang on, I just got to
And that's not by this year.
format.
Oh!
I know.
Don't forget to push the record button.
Yes, Rubes.
That's nice sea.
Yeah, look. Wow, look. That's where we are, just over here. Can you see it?
Okay,
It's
cool.
coming back, Rubes.
Okay.
Oh, that boat's coming over. Oh shoot, where'd that boat come from?
Which one?
This one.
Don't know.
It's coming to us.
Oh, it's right there next to Poppy.
Oh shit.
Hello.
Goggle, goggle, goggle.
Dad!
Oh, fuck, I was off.
It wants
It's going to go for your beer.
Oh no, that's not food. Oh, Oh, get him done. Oh, you got it.
I didn't press record.
Yay.
Oh. What's that you've got? Oh, wow, lucky I was ducking. Oh, Jesus. You idiot.
Hey, Rube.
Morning.
Here.
Tell me when you're on me.
Yeah.
Come, Daddy.
That stinks down there. I think that's where all the fish guts go out from here.
Oh, Andrew, have a look. Hang on, turn around.
Oh,
So what have you just been doing?
I've got sand all over me. I'm just enjoying the serenity. Look, it's beautiful waterways. Nice little beach. Full of fish guts that I reckon is all over me back now. I smell. Got no water to have a shower. Oh well, gotta make the most of it. Just gonna sit here.
I'm going to sit here and have a beer. Enjoy this
You
place.
going right? Yeah, I'll make a pizza on the weather. I know what we can do.
Well,
Count the trucks.
oh yeah, okay. 1.
What are we up to?
1.
1.
You win.
Tote. Tote, that's
2.
Nope. 3. So how long are we staying here for?
You win. 3, 4.
Another one behind it.
What about this boat?